अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है और आप इसी तरह की एजुकेशनल और बुश नॉलेज की वीडियो देखना चाहते हैं तो आप यहाँ पर नीचे सब्सक्राइब का जो रेड कलर का आइकन है इसको प्रेस कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब होने के बाद आप जो बेल का बटन है इसको ऑल पर क्लिक कर दीजिए। आपका चैनल सब्सक्राइब हो चुका है। हेलो एवरीवन, टुडे वी विल टेल यू अबाउट द pneumatic controlled valve that this valve supply the chemical to in our machine. You can see that when it will be when we will give the pneumatic pressure at that point one, this is and another point of this you can see here. So this is a basically one like a cylinder, pneumatic cylinder. When we will give the pressure, so that time it will be work up and down only. So because gear is here, so you can see here that this is the teeth and this is the matching teeth here also. When it will be go upside, so that time teeth will be move and this will be rotate. When it will be rotate, so it will change the position of your spool valve. What is the spool valve? We will tell you. Now we have transparent all items inside. This is the body. This is the spool valve, and this is the sleeve, like a piston and sleeve in your engine also. That if you ride a bike or your car, so piston and sleeve are there. So same things here. That's a sleeve. This is like a piston sleeve valve. So when it will be go up and down time, so you can see one and another hole there. Only two hole here, and in plate 1 and 2 and 3. Here you can see 3 hole. 1, 2, 3. We will. This is the input. Input means incoming of your material. When your cylinder go there, so now you can see that this and this, that this hole is totally passed now. That you can see that when material will be come to that side, that point, so material will be transferred to this point. You can give that material here, so you can get here. When it will be go downside, you can see that this is the position of the both hole are changing itself. Yes, now chemical is coming here, and so it will be we can get chemical from this side. This is the outlet, and this is the incoming now. So it means that when we will use this valve, so we can get chemical when we operate our cylinder. And if we are not taking the material or chemical from this valve, that time it will be go to back tank or from where we are getting this, that it will be. So there are the two functions. One, we can get, and if we are not using, so that time it will be go back to or return to your tank. And we told you about another valve. So here, this is also that last time we told you about this valve. This valve work for your chemical control also. But you can see that only one thing here. Chemical we can get and chemical will go. That it is only on-off valve. When it will be rotate, so that time it will be when it will be rotate, so that time it will be control that metal will come or not come. Only yes and no. This valve also that pneumatic operated, and also that same valve are pneumatic. Both valve are same. But change, what is the change? That blow down valve will work only one control, that yes or not, come or not, metal will go or not only. And like, but in our another valve, this valve will do what is the working of? It will be get the material. It will be we can take, and if we are not using this material, it will be go back to your tank or from that source where we are getting that, it will be returned to there. So simple things there. Now we put here that needle valve also. For this valve, the needle valve, you can see, you can watch our previous video. We have totally defined that what is the working of this. When suppose now this is suppose that this is the in condition of now that this is suppose now that color is coming from here to here. So we can get color through this. This is the bando bolt. Last time you have to watch that previous video. So you will get color from here. When needle valve will, this valve will work. You can see that this is working also. This is like a small cylinder, pneumatic cylinder. This is also that this is the cylinder. Here also piston, and here in this side piston. Here, so when it will be closed the color valve, so that time color will not pass. Color will be every time here. When it will go back, that time color will pass to your color plate, and you can get color in your mixture. Next time we will define there what is the mixture for this. This is the, you can see this is basically this is a piston only. This is the cylinder, same pneumatic cylinder, and also this is also a pneumatic cylinder. You can see this is only we design cylinder as per our requirement. Understand? If we use that cylinder, suppose that we need a low pressure, so no need to put a big cylinder or that the dimension of a very hard. If you are required that we can rotate something that suppose we are using bicycle, so no need to we go with the pipe. Suppose we have 4 or 5%, so we cannot ride on with one bike. So it will be take more load. We can use car. So like this, that we need, if suppose that we need some big cylinder, so we have to use here. If no need, that only we need a stock or 10 mm, 5 mm, 6 mm. So accordingly with the load, so we will design our shaft and piston, all things. So both are the cylinder. That the pneumatic cylinder, pneumatic base. When we will get the pressure will build here, and it will go up and down, and also here same. That one pressure will come from upside, and one pressure we will get this hole. This hole, this means this is when pressure will come, so it will go. When pressure will come from other end, so it will be go downside. So guys, if you understand some things and you got some information, valuable information from our end, so please don't forget to like our I think 1 like should be.